Okay, so now we're going to look at speed testing. So just like with the power testing, we're going to select session on the user homepage, and then we're going to click the speed tab. Exactly the same as when I'm setting up my power testing. It's going to bring me to my technique selection screen. So I'm going to select my technique. We'll go back with that hook. It's going to ask whether I want to perform testing on the left or the right side, number of repetitions. And the interesting thing now is the time delay is set to random. And this is going to be an important aspect of our speed training. So what we want when we're testing speed is we don't want ourselves or an athlete to be able to kind of get in a rhythm and guess when that trigger is going to happen. So we want to select a random time delay. Click next. This is going to bring us up to the speed screen. Now, as you notice, there's a delay. And I'm not sure when that trigger is going to happen. Now, on the speed screen, on the left-hand side, it displays reaction time. And that's reaction time from that on-screen audible flash and that, on-screen visual flash and that audible trigger, that boxing bell that you can hear, the human force, and they go together to create a speed index, which is my power to weight ratio for that strike divided by the reaction time in seconds. So the speed index reflects my ability to maintain power whilst responding quickly to that stimulus. So you will see, because I'm talking, it's a much greater reaction time and therefore a non-existent speed index. So you can also see that the dial is working on my best for the hook in that system. So again, it's quite interesting. Can I respond quickly whilst also keeping myself in the green section at 80% of my power for my maximum of power for that technique in the back end? On the speed summary screen, we've got the average and the best for each of the measurables, which in this case is the human force in Franklin's and the reaction times. It's also detailing my kinetic energy and impact power there. And it also shows me my speed index, which again is my power to weight ratio or average power to weight ratio for that series of repetitions divided by the reaction time in seconds. When we're training speed with athletes, what we want to do is increase their speed and improve their reaction times whilst also keeping that emphasis on maintaining a certain amount of power and consistency within our strikes. So that's the speed testing function.